All right, guys, man. This is pretty much the wrap of the video, man. I wanted to show y'all how it's actually looking on the truck right now. Hey guys, welcome back, man. It's your boy King's Life checking in with a new video, man. So today we got a new video on the 96. Now I want to show you guys what I ordered. I ordered a ZL1 hood scoop, guys. So if you haven't been watching the channel, man, y'all want to make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be posting every weekend now. It's not gonna be every other day or so. It's gonna be every weekend, starting on Friday to Sunday. You know what I'm saying? Because I work during the week, so it's gonna be kind of hard to film during the week that I work and stuff. So I have the ZL1 hood scoop that I've been wanting to install for the longest, guys. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around so y'all can see what I'm all right, so this is the ZL1 hood scoop. Today we will be installing this hood scoop. I do actually have to cut the hood open right here in the center. I already made my marks right here. If you guys can't see, I already made my marks, so I will be cutting in this area here and just trying it out. But first off, what we want to do, I already trimmed this piece here. We will be making it smooth, so I will be opening up the garage door right there, putting this in there, and then we're going to try to make this smooth, really smooth. And I might just paint this to where it's going to match the truck. Oh yeah, this is missing as well because I am putting a CTS mirror here instead of mine, but it's going to be a lot of cutting, a lot of customizing. So y'all just stay tuned for that video. That is going to be a separate video on that. But for now, we're going to try to get this hood scoop in there and get it all squared away. So y'all just stay tuned. I might not film all the process, guys, because it's going to be a long video, and I'm not trying to make it a long video for y'all. So I'll just go ahead and start trimming it. Not trimming it, but buffing it. And then see about getting this hole cut, man. I will film that process, but y'all just stay tuned. Like I said before, if y'all are new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe. Hit that like button for me, man. That way YouTube can recommend my videos more. And yeah, man, just go ahead and subscribe, man. I got more videos coming on this truck and also on the 99 as well. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and everything. And y'all just stay tuned, man. See y'all in a minute. I'm gonna show y'all how it's gonna look on the truck right now, so y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, guys, so this is what we're working with right now. It does look pretty good on there, I have to say, man. This, if you guys are ordering the ZL1 hood scoop, the universal, you will have to do a little bit of work as far as cutting, getting into the right measurements that you want it. Like right here, I definitely have to trim a little bit more because I want my windshield wipers to move up and down. So I have to trim a little bit more, but I think right now we're gonna go ahead and make our cut so we can go ahead and set it in there and screw it down. We are gonna screw this down. I might just go ahead and paint the outside of this scoop, paint it here. It's gonna be silver, and then the middle is gonna be black. For now, until we can all get it all bundled down and get it all ready to go. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm finna go ahead and start making my cut, and then I'll show y'all the aftermath. All right, so I got everything marked up to where I want to make the cut at. I'm not scared to cut this hood because it is an old hood. It already has dings and dents, things like that. So I'm not scared to cut this hood open. eBay does sell these hoods all day long. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and cut this thing open. I'm not gonna show y'all that process, but I'll show y'all when I have it open. So y'all just stay tuned, man. All right, y'all, so now that we have this whole thing open, I am kind of nervous about how everything is gonna fit, because we do have my alternator right here. So I'm not sure if things are gonna be hitting that. If it does, I will have to trim on that back part to actually fit this in flush. But like I said, I am a little nervous, but at the end of the day, this hood does have to shut. So I might be having to trim that down a little bit on the back, which is this part here, right there. That's not a big deal. So if we got to do that, then we'll just, you know what I'm saying, just go ahead and get that done. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and try to test fit it, and I will be back with y'all here in a second. But this is the way it's gonna look right now. All right, guys, so we back, man. It actually laid down pretty good, man. Yeah, I'm kind of happy right now about it, but we're gonna go ahead and show y'all what we got so far, so y'all can get a better idea on how I did everything. So as of right now, like I was saying, it is laying down pretty good. I do want this part here to come down more, to lay kind of flush. If you know what I'm talking about, I need this to lay a little bit more flush than what it is. So I might have to push it up here. And that means that I might have to trim the top part down just a little bit more. That way we can be able to access our windshield wipers. So what I'm about to do now is take it off, and then we're gonna trim that top piece down. And yeah, it's looking pretty good for now. First S10 in the world with the ZL1 hood scoop. That's just giving y'all a good idea on how everything look. And if you think I'm lying, this is all the metal pieces right here. Nice little project, man. And I am gonna use my tape measure to measure both sides. I want evenly sides. I want everything to line up right, and I want everything to be the right measurement on both sides. That way it can be right there in the center. I want this middle piece to line up right here with the crease. So, but yeah, let's go ahead and take this thing off, guys, and get this thing trimmed down just a hair. And then after that, man, we're gonna be good to go. I might just go ahead and throw some screws in there. That way we can have some screws. Let's see what it's gonna do when we close it. Actually, not bad. And I don't even think it's touching anything, actually. So yeah, we're in good shape, man. We definitely in good shape right now. So, and that's with the hood closed. It is actually closed right now. So I think we're gonna be in really good shape, man. But it is looking good. Y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and subscribing to the channel, man. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more, because we got more videos coming, man. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all the process, man. We had done a lot of cutting to this thing, man. A lot of cutting. So if you notice right here in the front, it is laying down a little bit flatter than what it was before, because I went on ahead and took that lip off. So when you peel it up, it's like a lip underneath here, and to where it doesn't make it lay down flat. So I took that lip off, and I was kind of nervous about it, because, you know, as you guys do know, this whole thing is made out of Bondo. So if you grind down too much with the heat and everything, you can crack this thing. So I was not trying to do that. So now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna drill some holes in here. That way I can go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, screw this thing down, because I want to at least screw it down I don't want to just leave it on like that. I want to put at least 4 screws in for now, and then until I can get it all painted up. Then once we get it painted, then we can go ahead and screw it down for real. But so far, man, it's looking pretty good. I actually like the material. They did make this thing pretty good. So if you guys want one, I ordered this from eBay from, I think it was like around $389. So if you want to get one for your vehicle, they do sell them on eBay. And this is like a universal, so you can put it on any kind of car that you want. The only thing that you'll have to do is cut down and measure to your liking. On this one, I had to cut down a lot. So just giving y'all a little quick walk around real quick. And I might paint it. I might just paint this silver and then paint that gloss black for now until I can actually get it all done right, because I do want to get this molded on here. So but y'all stay tuned, man. Like I said, I'm gonna drill some holes in it, and that way we can screw this thing down. So if I do end up taking it somewhere, it won't come off. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, guys, man, this is pretty much the wrap of the video, man. I wanted to show y'all how it's actually looking on the truck right now. I know I got a lot of stuff in my face right now, but hey, man, we outside, we working, man. A lot of Bondo, as you guys can see. It's a lot of Bondo that goes into that hood scoop, man. And the reason why it's looking clean right now, because I had to wash it off. It was just way too dusty. But as of right now, let me show you guys how the hood scoop actually look on the truck. All right, so it looks really good. I did put a couple of screws in here. As you guys can see here, I put one there, and then I put 2 on the other side. Now, you do have to be careful when you're screwing these screws in. You want to make sure you drill a hole in the actual scoop before you put the screw in, because you don't want to crack. You don't want to crack that hood scoop. It's easy to crack. It was already starting to crack a little bit on me right here. So I had to drill back out a little bit. I think I need to go with some shorter screws, because the screws that I was going with, they were too long. So these are too long for what I'm doing. I need to get some that's like halfway of this, and with the flat tip on the, I want a flat tip on the top. So I will be taking this same screw, because I want the same size of screw, to Lowe's, and we're gonna go ahead and get some shorter screws for this, because I don't want to crack this, man. So, and then here on the top, we got to do some more fab work, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and use a cutting wheel, and I'm gonna make my mark from here, starting here, all the way down this way. And I want this to be pretty much flat, because it's not flat. As you guys can see, it has like a curve, and I didn't want that curved look. So I will be taking this back off, and we will be cutting that up a little bit more than what we got. Or I might just leave it on here and just cut it on the truck. So that way we won't have to be, because where I have it right now is actually leveled the way I want it. And it's pretty much centered with this line. That's what I wanted. I want this line to be centered with that. So that way everything can be lined up pretty good, and we won't be moving it as much. So, but it is looking pretty good, man. I cannot wait to paint this thing. It's gonna be looking really good. I will get a chance to Bondo this thing later on. Not right now, but I will get a chance to get this thing all Bondo up and get it looking pretty good. Actually, I will be getting this thing wrapped from one of my guys that I got. He's gonna be wrapping the hood scoop for me. So I don't know if I want to leave it on the truck or just take it off and just send it to him. I'm not sure what I want to do on that part yet, but we will figure that out. And for now, we will be going with the silver, and then we're gonna go with the gloss black. We're gonna go with the gloss black right here in the middle, and then silver gonna be right here. I think that's gonna look really dope. Or we're just gonna paint the whole truck all black. We're gonna see. I'm gonna think about it. But as you guys can see right here, the mirrors are off. I do have one of the mirrors off because I have a lot of fabbing to do to the CTS mirror, because the CTS mirror will not bolt up to this. So I will have to cut my original mirror off, the little plate, the plate that actually sit right here. I have to cut that off and then put my original plate onto the CTS plate, and then some kind of way bolt that up. I'm gonna have to bolt it up, and then to where I can just put it back in here, and then it's gonna be on. And I do have some carbon fiber covers on there, man. That thing is gonna look sick, y'all. So y'all stay tuned, man. Or I might just do gloss carbon fiber right here on the centerpiece. That way it can match the mirrors. That's gonna be hard too. But y'all just stay tuned, man. A lot of videos coming up, man. I know I really haven't been posting that much, guys, because I'm always working, man. So y'all just gotta you know what I'm saying, bear with me. I know I should be posting more than what I usually do, so I'm gonna try to do that, man. I will definitely try to post every weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I'm gonna try my best to post, guys, bring you guys some content. But for the ones that's sticking in for the long haul, man, I really appreciate y'all. I really appreciate the new viewers and the returner viewers, man. I really appreciate you guys. We will be doing a giveaway here pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. More videos coming, like I said before. And yeah, man, I'm finna go in the house, get cleaned up, and yeah, I gotta go pick up my wife, man. So y'all just stay tuned for the next video. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys. King's Life. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, man.
NY to LA with it. NY to LA with it. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bible in the dash, and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, this how we ride. Going pro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in. And one, call it. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery, I'm proud of me, yeah. No baby proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just from me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tinted.